How to add effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page. This is where you'll do most of your timeline work, including adding effects to your clips. Now, look at the top left panel and click on the effects library. Inside the effects library, you'll find various folders like video transition, OpenFX, audio effects, and more. To apply a video effect, open the OpenFX folder. You will see a list of effects like Gaussian blur, glow, sharpen, and many others. Click and drag the effect you want directly onto the clip in your timeline. Once applied, make sure the clip is selected and then open the inspector panel on the right. Here you can customize the settings of the effect like intensity, angle, or blend mode depending on which one you choose. If you want to stack multiple effects, simply drag more than one effect onto the same clip. DaVinci Resolve will layer them and you can fine-tune each one from the inspector. You can also use adjustment clips from the effects library if you want an effect to apply across multiple clips. Drag the adjustment clip to your timeline above the clips you want to affect. Then apply the effect to the adjustment clip instead. And that's it. Now you know how to add effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.